So everyone, a very good morning to all of you. Thank you so much for visiting our channel. So if you are new here, then hit the subscribe button to get more videos related to English. So today guys, I'm going to ask some questions to both of them. They are beginner in English, so let's see how they are going to answer of my questions because they might make a lot of mistakes in their English, but they have to improve. They don't have to care about mistakes because if we are scared to make mistakes, then we cannot learn new things. So let's see how I am going to ask my best and how they are going to give their best. So keep watching this video till the end, guys. So well, this is me, Rudra Dharwa, the trainer of this institute. So are you both ready? Okay, this is your microphone. One microphone you can change. So how are you?
I am fine.
I would like to know your name, please.
My name is Santosh Chandan.
Your name is Santosh Chandan. Are you comfortable to sit on the chair?
Yes, I am comfortable.
Very nice. So why have you come to this class?
Because I improve English. That is why
Have.
I have come to this class.
Okay, you have come to this class. Okay, so are you not nervous to face camera? Are you not nervous?
No, I
I am not
am not
nervous. That means you are totally confident.
Yeah.
How do you make yourself confident? By speaking English, or by sitting with me and by coming to this class you make confident to yourself, or how?
I
Hmm?
confi-
I make
I make
myself confident
my self confidence
by
this class.
coming to this class. Wow, excellent. So okay, do you wake up early in the morning or late in the morning?
Early in the morning.
You wake up early in the morning. May I know the time? Yes, time. What time do you wake up? I mean,
I woke up at
I wake up
I wake up at 6 o'clock.
6 o'clock. But nowadays it is winter season. Do you not feel like sleeping more in the morning?
Yes, I think I sleeping more.
You sleep more, but you feel like sleeping more. But because of your class, you cannot sleep. Okay. So do you like writing or reading?
I like writing.
You like writing. Okay. Thank you so much. So now give her. What's your name?
My name is Rina Mahak.
Your name is?
Rina Mahak.
Try to tell loudly.
My name is Rina Mahak.
Your name is Rina Mohakur. Do you like your name?
Yes, I like my name.
Very much.
Yes,
Who gave you this name? Your father or your mother? Who? Yes, please. Who gave you this name?
I think my mother
Gave me
gave me
this name.
this name.
Did your father not give you any name?
No, my father
Did not
did not
give me
give me
any other name?
any
Oh,
other name.
okay, very nice. So, as far as I know about girls, most of the girls like to worship to God. So, I think you are also one of those who worship every day. So, now let me know, do you worship or not?
No, I do not worship.
That means you are not one of those. Does your mother worship?
Yes, my mother worship.
Do you come to this temple?
Yes, my mother.
No. I'm asking about you.
Yes, I come to
This temple?
this temple.
Oh, that means you were lying. You come to this temple. That means you worship. Okay, good. With whom do you sit in your class?
I sit in my
In my class with
class alone.
alone you sit. Nobody sits near to you. I can person. Oh God. Do you like boys? Boys. Do you like boys?
No, I do not like boys.
boys. Do you play with boys or girls?
I play
Hmm.
with girls.
You play with girls. Do you play any type of sports? I mean football, kabaddi, volleyball, cricket, like that?
No.
You don't play. Okay. Do you watch mobile phone?
Yes, I watch mobile.
Okay, thank you so much. Just pass. What do you like to do every day? What do you like to do? Do you like to study or sleeping or playing or studying or what?
I am
You know, before answering, first of all, understand the question. Be comfortable, be relaxed, be confident, then answer. I know that you know that answer properly, but because of being hesitate, you are not able to answer. So don't be hesitate, be comfortable and relax and answer. That's all. What do you like to do every day?
I like every day
Hmm.
studying.
You like to study every day.
Yeah.
Why do you like to study? Because many people say that studying is a boring thing, boring work, and it's better to play outside. It's better to use mobile phone, like that people say. I'm not saying this. So why?
Because
Hmm?
I play, but
Hmm? But
I
you do not play all the time.
yes
Oh, now you tell me or you let me know, why do you like to study more every day?
because my
Hmm.
mind is free time.
Hmm.
Then I study.
You study. That means in your free time you study.
Yeah.
Okay, nice. What do you like to play?
I like play football.
Football. This is a kind of sport. Okay, now this is a healthy game, I mean. So why do you not play those games which are played on mobile phone? I mean Free Fire, PUBG, and there are some other games as well, mobile game, which are prevalent nowadays. Okay, much popular. So why do you not play those kind of games? Hmm?
Because
Hmm.
I do not
Have
have like
or you do not like?
yeah.
Yeah, answer. I do not like to play
I do not like to play
those kind of
those kind of
games.
game.
Oh, that's why you do not play.
Yeah.
Do you like to watch that Free Fire and PUBG videos or not?
No, I do not watch those kind of
Videos.
videos.
Very nice. Okay. So why do you want to speak English?
Because I am improved.
Listen. Why do you want to learn this language? Of course, if you try or if you practice, then you will learn, you will improve. That's why. Why? That's what my question. What is the motive? What is the reason? Why? You want to have a conversation with different people, or you want to get a job, that is why you are learning this language, or what?
I want
I want to
get a job.
due to that
Due to that, I
am learning
am learning
this language.
this language.
Very nice. So just pass her, let me ask a few more questions. All right, so this is winter season, you know, and it is very cold outside. Why are you not wearing sweater? Yes, please. Are you not feeling cold? Cold means thanda nahi laga. Are you not feeling cold?
No, I
am not
am not
feeling
feeling
cold. Do you have sweater? Oche pakhe sweater.
Yes,
I have
I have
sweater.
sweater.
Very nice. So, are you happy to speak on camera? Yeah, just look at camera. Are you happy to speak on camera? Speaking before camera, speaking in front of camera, speaking on camera means speaking before people, speaking with so many people. So are you happy to speak or not? Are you happy or not?
Yes, I
am happy.
am.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much for both of you joining with me in this discussion. Okay. Thank you very much.